Welcome to NexSAA. In this video, we will walk through the complete user's flow and understand how to manage roles, cohorts, students, and admin users inside the platform. From the left navigation panel, click on Users. This opens the Manage Users and Roles page. This is the central control area for everything related to access and onboarding. At the top, you can see a quick summary showing total users, total cohorts, total students, and all users. Below this, the users module is divided into 4 key sections: roles, cohorts, students, and users. Let us start with roles. Roles define what an admin or team member can view, create, edit, or delete inside NexSAA. Click on Add Roles. In the Add Role window, enter a role name and a role description. Below this, you will see the permissions table with entities like users, groups, questions, and courses. For every entity, you can control view, create, edit, and delete access. Select the required permissions and click Create. To update a role later, open an existing role, click Edit, make the changes, and click Update. Next, let us move to cohorts. Cohorts help you group users based on programs, batches, teams, or learning initiatives. Click on Add Cohort. Enter the cohort name and description, select Users, and click Create. To modify a cohort, open it, click Edit, and update the details or assign users. Now let us look at students. This page displays student cards with name, email, cohort, and credentials status. Using the menu on each card, you can edit details, delete students, or manage credentials. Click on Add Students to onboard learners. Add students manually by entering the details and assigning a cohort, or use bulk upload to add multiple students using a CSV file and template. Finally, let us look at users. This section shows all admin and internal users in a table view with their role, cohort, email, user type, and status. Click Add User to create a new admin user, assign a role and group, and click Create. Use Edit to update user details whenever required. You are now ready to manage users, roles, and access effectively in NexSAA.